Right, solve problems using simultaneous equations. The meal for 5 adults and 3 children costs €210. The next day it costs 2 adults and 5 children €160. So we'll look at the first day and we'll underline the key details. Are 5 adults, 3 children, and the cost. Cost is equals. And then the next day we have 2 adults, 5 children, equals 160. So what we're going to do is we're going to decide what letter we're going to use to represent adults. So over here we can say adults is equal to X and children, I'll just write it in short, children is Y. So what we do is the first equation now is 5 adults, 5x and is plus, 3 children, 3y, costs equal 210. The next one, 2 adults, what is it? 2x plus 5 children equals 160. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just get rid of that. So don't need that anymore. And I'm just going to just write everything out again. 5x plus 3y is equal to 210. And 2x plus 5y is equal to 160. Okay, so now we start a simultaneous equation. There's 2 unknowns. So in simultaneous equations there are 2 unknowns, an x and a y. Alright. So the first thing we need to do is try to cancel either the x's or the y's. So we will try to cancel the x's. So that means we have to get the x's to the same value. So at the moment we have a 5 and a 2. So what we can do is we can multiply the top by 2 and multiply the bottom by 5. And what does that do? This will become 10 because I multiplied by 2. This will become 5 because I'm multiplying this row by 5. Just look up. But 10, and then what I'll do is I'll add. But if I add 10 and 10, what do I get? I get 20. That's not really cancelling the x's, is it? But cancelling means get them to 0. So multiply 1, put a minus in front of one of them. Minus 2. Right, so I'm going to multiply the top line by minus 2. So 5x times minus 2 minus 10x. 3y times minus 2 and 210 times minus 2 minus 420. Now I'm going to multiply the second line, looking up, everybody. The second line by 5. Five times 5y and 5 times 160. So 5 6 to 30. Carry the 3. 800. Now at this stage we add. So minus 10 plus 10 is equal to 0. So that's what we mean about cancelling 0x. So we've got 25y minus 6. 19y. And then we've got 800 minus 420. So that's 380. Now divide both sides by 19. 19 into 19 goes once. 19 into 380 goes 20 times. So we found out y, the cost for a child, y is the child, is €20. Now we'll find the cost of an adult. So we'll take one of the equations over here. We have to get the second variable. So 5x plus 3y is equal to 210. We know that y is equal to 20. So 5x plus 3 times 20. The reason why I'm putting in 20 because I want to find out what x is. 5x plus 60 is equal to 210. 5x is equal to 210, bring the 60 across, minus 60. 5x is equal to 150. Divide both sides by 5. So the cost for an adult, X is the adult, is €30. Cost for a child is €20. Okay? Is that alright?